Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And let's see what's happened for Solana, of course, with the bullish and bearish scenario overview. We have, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Impulse toward the upside, we have finished wave A or a wave 1. After both case scenario, we have finished here a corrective wave A, B, and a C. Wave C is 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing wave B or a wave 2 in both case scenarios, and we're looking for a finished impulse toward the upside for a bull run. Finishing an A, B, and a C here in the yellow count, where you finished exactly at the 1-to-1 fib level 268. And of course, potentially that now you are looking for 3 ways up and then 3 ways down and continuation toward the upside for a big wave C. In case we are in a big wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, or 5, it is a low possibility that because of course the wave 1 here, the wave 3 has reached the 1-to-1 fib level for your wave 1, yeah, and therefore low possibility that we are in a leading diagonal for Solana here. Higher possibility can be as well is a double 1-2s here, and your wave 2 is of course a 3-wave corrective, where you would like to hit at least the 0.38 fib level and move towards the upside, meaning your confluence targets for the bullish is this first blue box between $75 and $50. Now, in case we are in bearish scenario, your bearish scenario is of course a longer correction than just 3 waves down, meaning you would like to see 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that means, of course, your second blue box here that you would like to reach, of course, for a wave C, an A, B, and a C, a longer correction. But that, of course, still give an opportunity as well for the bullish scenarios, meaning you still can get, of course, double 1-2s from this area. It would be a perfect fib level for a wave 2 in case we are in 1, 2 here and 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the upside. Now, also the scenario where you have 3 waves up and bigger 3 waves down in a bigger bearish market also, of course, can unfold a wave C toward the upside. A ultimate bearish market is, of course, all this wave is considered as wave A, all this wave is somehow WXY, and you're looking toward the downside for a wave C in an impulse toward the downside, of course, with a bigger ABC for a 1, 2 here. However, very far possibility, and that because this looks like more like an impulse rather than just a 3-wave corrective, and higher possibility, of course, goes for those 2 blue boxes. First, we're gonna, of course, reanalyze the price here. If we see anyway an impulse toward the upside, therefore we are continuing with one of the bullish scenario. And anyway, you're gonna be in the bearish market as well, bullish from this area. So I would call it an opportunity area here. In both case scenarios, bullish and bearish, you're looking for higher prices. Let's move inside the daily chart here for the analyze of the current pattern here. As you can see, we have a 3 waves down, and of course here an expanding diagonal potentially, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, to finish this impulse toward the downside, now we're moving impulsively, of course, for lower inside this area. We're gonna move, of course, more inside it. So we have, of course, inside this area on the 4-hour chart, we have double 1-2s. We have 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 3. Of course, here a wave 4 as well, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. To finish your wave 3, of course, for this 1, 2, and then 3. And you're still looking for a wave 4 here, and then again a wave 5 toward the downside. If we dive even closer inside the 1-hour chart here for the micro analysis, we can see, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We have hit perfectly the 0.5 and overshoot it even a little bit. We're still looking for lower, of course, to finish this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. To finish, of course, a wave 5 of 5, and then with it finishing a wave A for your bearish scenario. Meaning inside this blue box is still very potential to get hit, of course, and then moving toward the upside. And in case, of course, we are looking for this wave 2 here, or wave B, in case you are in A, B, and a C, you would like to see continuation toward the downside, of course, for the next target after finishing here a wave B or a wave 2. in case it is a wave 2, this is very bad. Of course, it's a very destroyable, I would say, bearish scenario, but a very, very low possibility. However, wave B is much more higher possibility, and then moving toward the downside. Let's take a look at the KGT. So on the KGT, of course, we can see we have a bullish signal here, and of course, there is no signal yet on the 500 trends. If we get a little bit weaker signal, we can see, of course, here a bearish signal convergent with the top here, so potentially adding more pressure to unfold, of course, this wave 5 toward the downside, guys. So basically, as expected with Elliott wave, we still, of course, need this one more leg toward the downside, probably to hit this box, or probably simply taking the low and then moving toward the upside for a wave B, and then continuation again for lower prices. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.